Here is a 4 plot of land, fence right round. He use it for poultry farm and piggery. So here is the structure. Very nice location, and electricity from that place to here. Then here is a 3-room boys quarter. 3-room boys quarter for the staffs. Then here is an uncompleted one. Then here is already completed. Fence right around with gate, and also light. Very nice place. Fence right around. Fence right around. Here is the soccerway. It has borehole. With 1 GP tank. Okay, here is the staffs rooms, 3 rooms, boys quarter for the staffs, and the toilet. So, and here is the gate. These are the neighborhoods. People are living here already. People are living here already. People are living here already. And here is the light too. Here is the fence. And this is the main gate, starting from here to there, the other post east. 4 plots of round. Right under the back. So thank you.